Does anyone remember those old Atari 2600 joysticks? One button and sturdy like a house brick. Today, a gamer's controller is a nod to their personality and skill, so buying one of the best controllers for PC is the key. Whether you are looking for an edge in competitive gaming or just trying to avoid wonky mouse and keyboard inputs, here are some of the best controllers for PC gaming which you must try.
Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates.
Number 1. The Astro C40 TR. This controller is a premium PC controller and its price point proves it. The unique feature of this controller is the ability to not just swap parts but you can even move them around. This modular design of the Astro C40 allows you to swap out the left thumbstick for the D-pad. You can even put the two thumbsticks on the left while positioning the D-pad on the right. The Astro C40 has its own software making it easier for PC gamers to customize, and its price is only $400. Number 2. Logitech F310. This game controller is a good quality controller that will serve you well in the moments you no longer want to sit at a desk. This controller is fairly basic in its functionality and execution, and no frills option that has to be plugged into a USB slot to work. Plus, there are no customization options, just a relatively low price for a functional lightweight controller. Its price can be lowered as $25. Number 3. DualSense Wireless Controller. Some gamers prefer Sony's new PS5 controller, stating it has more accurate thumbsticks, adaptive triggers and haptic rumble. Amazingly, this controller is from the Sony and is also great for PC gaming. However, this controller is a little more expensive, priced between $60 to $70. Gamers are praising the high quality and new haptic motors and adaptive triggers, stating that the rumble is the most nuanced ever felt in a controller. Yet not all of these features works on a PC games right now, but they are expected in the future. Number 4. Microsoft's Xbox controller. This controller is a Bluetooth controller, making it very easy to pair with your desktop or laptop, with a price between $35 to $50. This controller is also very attractive for the gamers on a budget. This controller is available in various patterns and colors, ensuring that there is something that everyone would like. Even if there isn't color scheme that you want, you can easily customize it through Microsoft Xbox Design Lab. This universal controller has been one of the best controllers for PC gaming for several years now and looks set to be in the top 5 controller for this generation. Number 5. 8BitDo SN30 Pro Plus. If retro gaming is your thing, then this controller takes away the misery of the WASD keystrokes away. This controller is priced below $50. The retro design controller that works well with most PC games. The manufacturer 8BitDo has made a name for itself for its retro designs, designed after the old school Super Nintendo controllers. The SN30 Pro controller is ideal for the Steam's bevy between 8 to 16-bit inspired content.